Good morning friends, today it's 9th of October 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for a shorter period of time is as follows. Since start of this week, we have been saying that 25,200 is going to act as an important resistance for index and that need to be taken off in order to attract some fresh buying, else the index can retrace back to retest the support levels and it can be into a consolidation phase. As on Thursday, we have seen that Nifty spot made a high of 25,220, slipped down to end at 25,108, and yesterday also it attempted a pullback from the highs of 25,192. It slipped down to retest the supports of 25,008 before ending the session in red, down 0.25% at 25,046 levels. As per the price study, the bias remains valid that till the time the index is trading below 25,200 mark, upside on a short-term time frame basis is capped. As on the flip side, it can attempt to retest the support levels of 24,950, 24,900 odd levels, which can attract fresh buying interest. On the lower end, 24,900 and 24,750, these are very important support levels, and dips toward these levels will be looked for buying. On the other hand, once index sustains about 25,200 odd levels on a firm note, it will be open towards the highs of 25,650 and 850 respectively. So 25,200 can be looked as a tug of war between bulls and bears on a short-term time frame basis as well as on a mid-term time frame basis. That's an important level to watch. Till the time the index is trading below that level, be light with the leverages and dips will be looked for fresh buying. For the day today, Nifty futures, which ended last session at 25,120, will be looked for contra buying on dips towards 25,050 or 24,980, keeping a stop of 50 points, while intraday pullback towards 25,200 to 20 levels can be looked for selling with a strict stop of 50 points. Bank Nifty futures, which ended last session at 56,218, intraday supports will be at around 55,850, 55,600, which can be looked for buying. On the higher note, 56,400 and 56,750, they are intraday resistance levels where the index can find some fresh selling pressure. Since the indices have gained substantially in last 4-5 trading sessions from the lows, thus a pause and consolidation at a higher levels was expected, and we can expect some kind of range bound trading sessions in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Thus, it is advised to be light with the leverage positions, and dips will be looked for fresh trading long bets. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.